Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading. Guys, let me tell you about the training program. Once we have more than 1000 subscribers, I'll be conducting a free training program on stock market, and I have also uploaded a video sometime back regarding Nifty and Bank Nifty's performance for today based on yesterday's trading plan. And today we are going to check out Nifty and Bank Nifty again for tomorrow's trading plan. Let's go to Nifty and see what we can do for tomorrow. First, let me go to 1 hour chart. Before that, let me extend this R1, S1 and all, and I'll tell you what zones they are and why I have plotted this. In case if we require new zones, we are going to plot that as well. Meanwhile, guys, you can check out the syllabus for training program. You can just see the Telegram group link in the description box. Join the group and check out the syllabus, what I'm going to train upon. Okay, now I extended the zones what I had plotted for yesterday. Let's go to daily chart first and see what kind of candle it has formed. As I've said you before, I usually do multi-time frame analysis before I take the trades. Yesterday it had formed kind of hanging man, and today also I see a hanging man itself. It's almost same as a hanging man. Okay, so I still feel that there probably the prices can reverse, Nifty can reverse. Okay, and now let's go to 2 hour chart and check out how it had worked today. In 2 hour chart, you can see prices are trading in this zone itself. Let me extend this. Okay, up to this extent. I'm extending these zones so that it will be easy for me to trade tomorrow. Okay, now there's the one last zone left out. Okay, I've extended this. Let's check out with the trend line as well here. Okay, this is the trend line what it has been holding. This is the uptrend line what I have drawn. You can see I can probably start from this point as well if required, but this will be good. Yes. Now you can see, guys, I've started from this point, I have attached to this point and this one. You can see this point has been respected today, and there was a bounce from this level itself. Okay, let's check out 15 minutes chart now. Well, for last few days, if I have to say, from almost around 8th of December, there was a good momentum on the upside. 8th and 9th, you can see here this rally, and after 9th, probably from 10th of December, prices have been consolidating. It has been respecting this trend line what I have drawn now. Okay, this is how I'm going to keep the trend line, and let's check out now in 5 minutes chart as well. I have some people messaging. मयूर धवले सर हिंदी का 9 बजे रहेगा, आई एम सॉरी 9:15 को रहेगा. हिंदी में मैं समझाऊंगा कि बैंक निफ्टी और निफ्टी कैसे कल ट्रेड ले सकते हैं. प्रसन्ना सर आस्किंग व्हाई लास्ट जोन वाज क्रिएटेड, नो सपोर्ट देयर. यू मीन दिस? Prasanna, are you asking about this zone? If yes, just let me know. I'll explain you about this zone as well. Okay, for tomorrow guys, plan is very simple. Let me tell you first. This R1 what I had created few days back, and in yesterday's video also you can check out, this is going to be my resistance zone. Still this is intact, it has not broken, so this is going to be a very strong point R1, and you can see it's almost from almost around 35 to 40 point zone, right? So this is going to be my resistance zone. And this one support zone S1. The zones are same as I had marked yesterday. Only thing is I'll have to see if I have to change this at the lower point. I'll check out now. Now for tomorrow, let me check out 15 minutes chart once again. Okay, I'll not mark this as a zone, I'll just mark this as a support line, this point. And I'll maintain this as a strong support point because we have seen a bounce today from here. Writing this as yes. For tomorrow guys, in case price breaks above 13,600, as I've said you yesterday, the same plan I'm going to use. In case price breaks above 13,600, then probably we will see 13,640 and 13,680, but make sure you trade here with a tight stop loss, because I've been seeing this, there are a lot of sellers sitting here. You can see the prices have been rejected from here previously. The prices had rejected here from this level, and also at the end of the day today we had seen some rejection. So probably there are some sellers sitting very tight, so it's very difficult for the prices to cross 13,600. Once it closes above 13,600, we can expect 13,640 and 13,680. And in case we see a fall again, then below S1, below the support zone 1, let me zoom this chart. Below this support zone 1, we can expect S2 to come in, that support zone 2, and then this trend line and also the support zone 3, the purple color line. This is the trend line now. And in case it bounces from any of this zone, you can see you can take a reversal trade as well. This is a simple plan for tomorrow for Nifty, right? On the upside, make sure it breaks 13,600 and only then you take a trade. This is a simple plan for tomorrow on Nifty. Okay, now this support what I'm talking about is you can see here I have marked here yes. Okay, let me mark it again. This I'll just mark yes. The reason why I'm marking this, you can see there has been a reversal here, this point today, and previously also there was a point from where it had reversed. You can just check it out here. In fact, this had held as a support and then it had taken a bounce. And today also this point had respected. That's the reason I'm taking this as a support for tomorrow. But this trend line will play a very important role. for tomorrow, right? The plan is simple. Above 13600 you can take a long position, and below support S1, support zone 1, we can see for shorting position as well. Guys, this is just my analysis, and I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. This is just for education purpose. And make sure whenever you take a trade, you have stop loss in your system, right? And there's a question Prasanna sir is asking. Okay, if you're talking about this between 13,400 and 13,411, let me tell you the reason why I have drawn this as zone. I'll just convert it to 15 minutes chart. You can see how beautifully prices have held at this level, 10th December and also on 11th December. This level was respected. That is the reason I have drawn this as a zone. This is going to be my S4. I hope Prasanna sir it's clear, right? Okay, let me repeat about this plan for Nifty. About 13,600 I'll look for long positions. Below S1 I'll be looking for short position to S2 and S3. In case it reverses from any of this zone, I'll probably be looking for long positions as well. But make sure guys, you trade with stop loss, and every 20-25 points you can trail the profits once you are in profits, so that you don't lose out the potential profits what you have earned. Okay, now let's go to Bank Nifty. Let me check out one day chart first. There are a lot of levels what I have drawn here. You do not worry about that. You can see this candle doesn't have much strength. There has been a good tug of war from both the end. Okay, so let me go and check out 2-hour chart as well. Let's extend this zone as well now. The zones are same for Bank Nifty as well, because price is still trading between these levels. Let's check out 15 minutes chart. Okay, this is going to be a resistance line what I have drawn yesterday, and all the levels are almost intact. I am not going to change any levels for tomorrow. Whatever I had drawn yesterday, the same levels I will be maintaining for tomorrow's trade as well. Okay, let's check out 5 minutes chart as well. Okay, so for tomorrow, in case price reverses from here, we see a good bullish candle coming in, we'll have a first resistance at today's high. This today's high somewhere around 3780. This is going to be my first resistance point. About this, it can enter the resistance zone, and once it closes above resistance zone, we can expect almost around 31,000 and 31,040, and above that we'll have 31,190. This is one way what I'm looking at. The second trade is, in case it closes below S1 somewhere around below 3640, then probably I'll see for 3500 and 3400 as a target, which is in S2 zone. And you can see based on yesterday's low, today's low is still intact. You can hold this today's low as an important level as well. Below S2 maximum we can see up to 3336, and if in case it breaks, we can see somewhere around 3300 and 3270 levels coming in, right? And in case price reverses from any of this zone as it had reversed today, you can take a long position as well here for S1 as a target. And in case if price trades within this level for a while and it reverses, we can also take a long position for a target of R1. That's a resistance 1 zone. Guys, you can check out the levels whatever I have drawn here, and you can plot the same levels on your system. Remember, today's low and high will be a very important point, right? So Bank Nifty and Nifty plans are almost same like yesterday. There are no change. Yesterday also it had closed within this R1 and S1, and today also it has closed within, it has closed in, it has closed almost near S1 itself. So there is no change in trade plans. I will be using the same plans what I had used yesterday. Okay, there is someone who is asking for Bajaj Finance. Let's go and check out Bajaj Finance as well. First, let me check out weekly chart and see what is happening with Bajaj Finance. Sir, Bajaj Finance has been very bullish since Monday, right? Okay. It looks like Bajaj Finance has broken all-time high. This was the all-time high. धवल सर, ये बजाज फाइनेंस ऑल टाइम हाई था, तो ये तोड़ के ऊपर की तरफ चल पड़ा है. चलिए डेली चार्ट भी देखते हैं आज हुआ क्या है. बजाज फाइनेंस, यू कैन जस्ट चेक आउट, दिस वाज अ रेसिस्टेंस. सर बजाज फाइनेंस का एक रेसिस्टेंस लेवल था जो रिसेंटली बना था, वो टॉप तोड़ के आगे बढ़ गया है, राइट? दैट्स द रीजन देयर वाज अ गुड फ्लो ऑन द अपसाइड टुडे. लेट्स टॉक अबाउट 2 hour chart and see. Let me check 15 minutes chart as well. इन केस बजाज फाइनेंस फॉल, सर अगर बजाज फाइनेंस गिरेगा तो समझिए कि वापस 4952 टेस्ट करने के चांसेस ज़्यादा रहेंगे. इट हैज़ ब्रोकन ऑल टाइम हाई. यहाँ से कहीं पे भी रिवर्स होगा तो ये पॉइंट पे आके सपोर्ट ले सकता है और वापस यहाँ से ऊपर की तरफ भागने के चांसेस ज़्यादा रहेंगे. अगर ये 4952 का लेवल टूटता है तो वापस नीचे आ जाएगा. तकरीबन इस जोन के आसपास. और जिस तरह बजाज फाइनेंस ऑल टाइम हाई तोड़ रहा है, हर बार जब भी हाई तोड़ेगा थोड़ा ऊपर की तरफ मोमेंटम आएगा. समझिए कि 25 से 50 पॉइंट का मूवमेंट ऊपर तरफ आते रहेगा. Right, that's it for now, guys. I have explained you how we can check out, how we can trade for Nifty and Bank Nifty tomorrow. As I've said you before, this is just for educational purpose, and make sure you trade with proper stop loss. And every time Nifty and Bank Nifty, in Nifty, if you get 25 points or 20 points, start trailing your stop loss so that you don't lose potential profits. And Nifty, you can maintain the same, like 50 to 100 points for trailing your stop losses once you are in a profit zone. Guys, I'll again see you tomorrow. Let's see how Nifty and Bank Nifty reacts based on the levels what we have done and the trade plan what we have done now. And in case you have any doubts, you can drop the comment. I'll try to get back to you. And in case you are not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. And if you like the video, please give a like. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you. Have a good day.